All right, so we're ready to score our Batard, and what I'm going to do is use the curved lame for this one. I always put a little bit of semolina or fine cornmeal on top of the loaf. It's coarser than regular flour, and only a finite amount is really going to stick to the bottom of the loaf of the bread. It's going to create a barrier so it doesn't stick to your baking surface, okay? What I then do is really let gravity help you with this and make sure that it releases from both sides of the basket, and then dump it out onto the work surface. Now, I'm going to use the razor for what it is, and that's a sharp, straight razor. And I'm going to use the point of the razor to go into the bread, and then the long side of the blade to actually cut it. Okay, so remember, it's not serrated, so this sort of action is not going to help you. What you're going to do is just go in and then go straight across. Now, I do score this at about a 22-degree angle, which if you put your thumb down on the counter and then put the blade on your thumb like this, that is the angle at which you want to score. This angle is going to create a kind of shelf for which the bread is going to push up and out, which creates a really, really attractive ear. Now, I also score from end to end to make sure that the loaf opens up very, very nicely. And I go in to the depth of the stick here. Okay, so just score it. You don't have to go incredibly fast. You just go in with the point of the blade and pull straight across to the very other end using the long side of the razor. Now, that is it.